my driving question is, how does leaf shape affect photosynthesis? And plants adapt to grow in either direct sunlight or a shaded area, and leaves that grow in shady areas usually are anatomically and metabolically different from those that are living in a more canopy surface. And leaves that are adapted to the shade usually have a thinner shape and a more surface area, and are more likely to have more chlorophyll than leaves in direct sunlight. And in this picture, you'll see a graph, and it shows two types of leaves. You have leaf A, which is a sun leaf, and leaf B, which is a more shady leaf. And line A shows a higher curve because there's a higher amount of light absorption, and this line also shows the maximum rate of photosynthesis. And in line B demonstrates more efficiency in harvesting sunlight. So leaves have to find a way to develop the perfect balance between intaking enough sunlight and carbon dioxide in order to run photosynthesis. So you might be wondering, how does this balancing process influence the leaf shape? So leaves high up in a tree canopy are very much so exposed to the sunlight, and these leaves tend to be smaller in size, which means that they have a smaller area to absorb light. And these leaves also have intricate edges and lobes. So these intricate edges enables this style of leaf to spread and absorb heat rapidly. And the lower canopy leaves have the more tendency to be larger because they need to absorb more sunlight, hence the larger surface area. And the lobes and edges of these leaves are less defined. And next up, we'll be seeing some needle-shaped leaves. And these needle-shaped leaves have an extremely low light absorption because of the surface area, therefore making it challenging for absorbing a lot of sunlight energy for photosynthesis. Needles have a very thick outer casting with a special pit-like stomata design in order to prevent an excessive water loss. And a study was actually conducted in Germany and Norway where scientists compared the energy production in Germany's beech trees, which have broad flat leaves, with Norway's spruce trees, which have needles. And the beech trees photosynthesized about 176 days of the year, where Norway spruce trees photosynthesized about 260 days of the year. So in conclusion, the Norway spruce tree was 58% more productive than the beech trees.